Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit different. I'm going to be doing the 1 ingredient challenge. Before we move on, I just want to say, why am I wearing all this? Well, it's because I wanted to do a little mini face reveal, but without showing my face.
Hey, why are you wearing a Santa hat in the middle of the—
Shut up! I think it looks cool! Okay, so anyway, today we'll use bananas. Now, I thought, like, if we could use banana bread or, like, dip it into, like, chocolate like we did in Yokai 3, but I think we should make these chocolate chip banana bars. I'll leave the recipe in the link in the description, and without further ado, let's go.
Alright, so first preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then get your 5 bananas and peel them. Put it in a bowl, then mash it good. Should look something like this. Then add your 3/4 cup of light brown sugar. Then 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup milk, and 2 eggs. Then mix it till smooth or pour it into a stand mixer. After that, add 1 3/4 cup flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix it till smooth, then add 1 cup of chocolate chips. Should look something like this. Pour it into a greased sheet pan, then plop it into the oven for 20 minutes. Alright guys, I just finished making the chocolate banana bars. Let's give it a taste. It's quite fluffy. That's so good. It's moist, fluffy. I already said that. You can taste the banana, let me tell you. Yeah, 10 out of 10. Would recommend making it. Alright, that's good. So I just need to hide it from Jabina so he doesn't eat it. Bye.